Let me introduce some basic tasks you can do regularly. Each one takes only a short time but plays a key role. You can do one or two when you are available. First of all, cleaning the windows, of course. It is a very easy and a regular task that can keep your windows looking sharp. Even though it is simple, you can still follow some steps. Step 1. Start by removing surface dirt from the frame, sill, and corners. Use a soft cloth, handheld vacuum, or brush to get into tight spot to remove surface dirt from the frame, sill, and corners. Step 2. Next, spray the glass with a mild cleaner or a mix of a vinegar and water. Wipe the surface using a lint-free cloth or sponge. Step 3. Finally, use a squeegee to remove any moisture. Always work from top to bottom to avoid streaks and missed spots. Second, seal the gaps and cracks. We all know that windows are the barriers protecting you from outside, but there may be some small air leaks on them that we will never notice if we didn't do the routine check. Cold air gets in, the warm air escapes, and your energy bills go up. The good news is you can often seal this spot yourself. Step 1. Begin by checking around the window frame, especially at the corners. Use your hand to feel or see air movement. Step 2. After you find the leaks, remove any old or cracked caulk. Use a putty knife to clear the air so the new sealant will stick. Step 3. Apply fresh caulk using a steady hand and smooth it with a finger or two. Let it dry fully before closing the window. Third, lubricate checks and hinges. If you have some sticky windows and squeaky hinges in your house, then this part is useful to you. Please pay attention. They usually mean the moving parts need a little care, and all we need is a little amount of lubricant. Please follow the steps. Step 1. Start by opening the window fully. Wipe down the track and hinge areas with a soft cloth. Remove dust, old grease, or anything built up along the edges. Focus on the corners and tight spots where green collect. Step 2. Shake the can well and spray the moving part with a fine coat of lubricant. Do not overspray since this will encourage dirt. Step 3. Move the window back and forth a few times. This helps the product spread evenly and shows if it solved the issue. And different materials need different care, of course. Not all of our customers are just using aluminum windows. There can be different kinds in one house. And you don't need special skills to check a frame, just a careful look once in a while. It helps extend the life of your windows and support your windows maintenance effort. For aluminum material, you should look for the sign of rust, dent, and even the dull finish. Clean them with a soft cloth or the mild soap we mentioned before. And regular care, it can prevent wear and support a good aluminum window care. And for the wood frame right here, you should look for the peeling paint, soft spot, and even the mold. Sand the rough area and repaint them when needed. Also, make sure they are sealed tightly to avoid the moisture damage. And for our UPVC frames, check for cracks, yellow in, or loose seals. Wipe them down with a non-abrasive cleaner to maintain their look. Basic UPVC window maintenance keeps them strong and weatherproof.